June 12, 2025. A routine flight turned into India's deadliest air disaster in over a decade. A Boeing 787 plunges into a hostel in Ahmedabad, killing hundreds. What went wrong? Within 4 minutes of takeoff, the plane lost altitude and slammed into the BJ Medical College boys' hostel. It exploded on impact, triggering a massive fire that engulfed both the aircraft and the building. All but one person on board were killed. 241 lives lost, including students on the ground. The lone survivor, 26-year-old Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, escaped with third-degree burns and emotional scars. First responders faced massive flames and falling debris. Students used ladders to escape hostel balconies. Over 100 people were rescued, but 39 hostel residents perished. The pilot sent a mayday call reporting engine failure and loss of thrust. Investigators found flaps and landing gear hadn't retracted.
A miracle he's
Black
alive.
boxes were damaged
A burden
but sent
he'll
for
carry
analysis.
for the rest of his life. Vishwas Ramesh
Air India's
walked away
CEO
from
said
the
no
wreckage
plane will fly
after
without
his miracle
100%
survival.
safety checks.
He told Indian state media
Over
he
80
thought he
international
died,
flights
but
were
when he
canceled.
opened his eyes, he
Around
found
the
himself
world,
still
tributes poured
buckled
in,
into seat
from cricketers
11A,
to Bollywood
and amazingly,
stars.
with no major injuries.
Emergency door is broken.
Yeah.
My seat is broken.
Yeah.
Then I see the page little bit.
Yeah.
Then I will try to come out. I'm not jumping.
Okay.
I just walk out, innit?
Okay.
Then ambulance coming in.
Ramesh says shortly after takeoff, it felt like the plane came to a standstill in midair for 5 to 10 seconds, and green and white lights came on inside the cabin. He said he could feel the engine thrust increasing to go up, but the plane...
वो मुझे बहुत प्यार करता था अभी ऐसा ही यहाँ पे ये हमारे साथ है लास्ट में मुझे हक करके भी बोला मम्मी का ध्यान रखना मैं बैठा हूँ
miles away in Leicester, in UK's East Midlands. Historically, the Gujaratis had trade links to the city and have grown to become a big community here. The BBC speaks to Gujaratis gathered at a temple in Leicester to remember the victims of the crash. Among the dead are Hardik Avaiya and Vibhuti Patel, a young couple who just got engaged.
We are on the way to pick him up. One of our friend, he calls me and said that one of the plane for the Gatwick is crashed in Ahmedabad. So we immediately checked the ticket and matched the flight number, and that's the same flight number which in the travel Hardik. So we just got.
He's a very kind of hard person, and he's very good and loyal friend. Hardik here like my small brother, and Vibhuti as my small sister.
Back in Ahmedabad, a city mourns as people come to terms with their loss. 30-year-old Lawrence Christian worked as a production line operator at Amazon in London. He was one of the 241 passengers on the plane who lost their lives.
वो अभी 1.5 साल पहले अभी लंदन में गया था कि भाई हमारा घर ऐसा फाइनेंशियली प्रॉब्लम थी वो लोन ले के वो वहाँ पे गया कि हमारा घर आके बहुत 29 को मेरे पापा की डेथ हो गई तो उनके फेयरवेल के लिए सब आए थे यहाँ पे कि मैं आ रहा हूँ। मैंने बोला मत आ, तो बोले नहीं मुझे आना है। तो वहाँ पे सब क्रिया हमारी थी तो सब पता नहीं वो आया था और 12 दिन की छुट्टी लेकर और 12 तारीख को भी हम उनको छोड़ने भी गए। हाँ हम दोनों बहुत क्लोज थे, वो मुझे बहुत प्यार करता था कि भाई तेरे को मैं सब कुछ तेरी शादी में धाम-धूम से करवाऊँगा, तुझे स्टडी में सब में तुझे हेल्प करूँगा, मैं तुझे यहाँ पे लंदन लेके आऊँगा।
Lawrence was one of the many Gujaratis who aspired to go to the UK. The Air India flight catered to this massive demand. It's been a few days since the plane crash, and I'm here in Ahmedabad next to the Sabarmati riverfront, and you can see that people are going about their day as usual. But from all the people that I've spoken to, I know that this has left a huge imprint on their psyche. That's because most people here either have family in the UK or know of someone in the UK. Gujaratis form a large chunk of the Indian diaspora in the UK. Ronish Garanje, who shifted to London a year and a half ago, is now part of this diaspora. A mechanical engineer, Ronish's parents pooled in their last penny to send him to London for a master's degree. He is now looking for a job.
मेरे बच्चे का ड्रीम प्लान था लंदन जाना, तो मैंने बहुत संघर्ष किया। ग्रेजुएशन के बाद मेरे पास एक नरोड़ा में एक बंगलोस था, उसको बेचा और एक बाइक बेचा, एक कार बेचा। वो बेचने के बाद जो पैसे मिले उस पैसों से मैंने मेरे बच्चे को यूके भेजा है, लंदन भेजा है ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करने के लिए।
For families like the Garanjes, this Air India flight was crucial.
ज़्यादातर मध्यम वर्ग के जो लोग होते हैं, जो विदेश जाना चाहते हैं, जो फॉरेन जाना चाहते हैं, जो लंदन जाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए ये प्लेन अफोर्डेबल है और दूसरी जो प्लेनें हैं वो उनके लिए बहुत कॉस्टली हो जाती है। इसके लिए लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एयर इंडिया को प्रीफर करते हैं।
Local experts in Gujarat say that a rise in social status is also a force that drives Gujaratis to the UK.
तो एक सोशल स्टेटस के लिए भी कि बच्चा क्या करता है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब है क्या, अपना खेत है क्या, अपना गांव है, छोटा सा गांव है तो लड़की नहीं देंगे, बाहर कौन है, बाहर जाने वाले हैं कि नहीं, फ्यूचर में जाने वाले कि नहीं, तो एक सोशल प्रेशर भी बना हुआ है कि बाहर जाना है।
हेलो। हाँ राधु।
38-year-old Dharmendra Mudaliar was one of the first responders when the crash took place. We met him for the first time on 13th June near the hostel for medical students that the plane crashed into.
पूरा आग के गोले की माफक पूरा दहक रहा था और किसी को समझ ही नहीं आया कि हो क्या रहा है करके। जिसमें 3-4 डॉक्टर्स को तो हमने बचाया, बाकी जो डेड बॉडीज थी हमने उसको उठाकर हम लोगों ने सारा जो एम्बुलेंस वगैरह था उसको हम लोगों ने हेल्प किया कि उसमें लेके जाए कि ताकि जो कुछ बचे तो बच सके करके।
A few days later, we meet him again, this time at his home. He tells us that his wife is studying in the UK and he wants to join her.
तो फिर क्या बनाया? जब 2 दिन पहले ये फ्लाइट जब क्रैश हुआ तो मेरी वाइफ लिटरली रो गई जब उनका फ़ोन आया। तो मुझे बोला कि मैं लकी हूँ कि मैं 1 महीने पहले यहाँ आ गई हूँ, क्योंकि सेम फ्लाइट में वो यहाँ से सफ़र किया था उसने लास्ट मंथ।
Carrying the coffin of his brother
it
on
will
his
play
shoulders
on their mind
with his
that
loved
the
ones.
UK dream
A miracle he's
remains
alive.
strong.
A burden he'll carry for the rest of his
देखो
life.
गुजरात के लिए
Vishwash
यूके
Ramesh
बहुत
walked away
मायने
from the
रखता है,
wreckage
क्योंकि महात्मा
after his
गांधी खुद
miracle
गुजरात से थे
survival.
और उन्होंने
He
अपना
told Indian
बैरिस्टर
state
वहाँ पे
media
किया
he
था।
thought he'd died,
और
but when he
गुजराती
opened his eyes, he found
हमेशा ये
himself
चाहते हैं कि
still
वो
buckled into
फॉरेन
seat
कंट्रीज में अपने आप को
11A,
एस्टैब्लिश करें।
amazingly with no major injuries.
As
Emergency
families
door is
in both
broken.
countries come to
My
terms
seat is
with their
broken.
losses,
Then I
the
see the
Gujarati
pace little
community
bit.
comes
Then I will
together
try
in
to
prayer,
come out. I'm not
strengthened
jumping.
by their
I
many
just walk out, innit?
aspirations.
Then ambulance coming in.
Ramesh says shortly after takeoff, it felt like the plane came to a standstill.
The Air India AI 171 crash is not just a tragedy, it's a call